Welcome to our roundup of the best car stereo systems. Advanced in-car entertainment systems designed to improve audio quality, connectivity, navigation, and overall driving experience. Whether you're upgrading an older factory stereo, adding smartphone integration, or building a more immersive sound system, a reliable car stereo can completely transform your time on the road. Modern car stereo systems come with touchscreen displays, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera support, USB inputs, and advanced audio controls for better functionality and convenience. Many models also include FM/AM radio, steering wheel control compatibility, EQ customization, and fast responsive interfaces for smoother operation while driving. Choosing the right car stereo system can improve sound quality, simplify navigation, and make everyday driving far more enjoyable. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car stereo systems available right now. Starting with the Sobolai car stereo system. This model is a great option for users looking for affordable multimedia functionality, modern connectivity features, and practical everyday entertainment for daily driving. It typically features a touchscreen display combined with Bluetooth support that allows users to stream music and handle hands-free calls more conveniently. Many versions include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility for easier smartphone integration and navigation access. The compact double-DN design makes installation suitable for a wide range of vehicles while maintaining a modern dashboard appearance. USB and auxiliary input support also help improve media playback flexibility during travel. Additionally, it delivers dependable multimedia performance and smooth touchscreen operation during regular use. Next up is the S-Joybring car stereo system, a versatile and dependable option designed for balanced audio performance, touchscreen convenience, and improved connectivity across different vehicle setups. This model typically features wireless Bluetooth streaming combined with smartphone mirroring functionality for easier access to music, navigation, and calls while driving. Many versions include backup camera compatibility, steering wheel control support, and customizable EQ settings for better usability and sound adjustment. The responsive touchscreen interface helps improve navigation through menus and media functions more efficiently. Its modern design also helps upgrade the overall appearance of the dashboard. Additionally, it provides steady audio performance and reliable multimedia functionality during everyday driving. Moving on to the PLZ car stereo system. This model is known for its advanced connectivity features, modern display system, and dependable audio performance for users seeking a more upgraded in-car entertainment experience. It typically features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration that allows users to access navigation, music apps, messages, and calls more conveniently through the touchscreen display. Many versions include high-resolution screens, Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, and fast response times that improve overall system performance during use. The built-in audio tuning controls help users customize bass, treble, and sound balance for a more enjoyable listening experience. Its compatibility with backup cameras and steering wheel controls also adds more convenience and driving support functionality. Additionally, it delivers efficient multimedia performance and stable wireless connectivity during operation. Stepping up in performance, the S-Joybring car stereo system offers a strong balance of advanced multimedia functionality, improved display quality, and broader connectivity options for more demanding users. This model typically features a larger touchscreen interface combined with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support for smoother smartphone integration and easier access to driving apps. Many versions include backup camera systems, GPS navigation compatibility, FM/AM radio, USB playback, and voice assistant functionality for improved convenience while driving. The upgraded sound processing system helps improve overall audio clarity and balance across different music styles and speaker configurations. Its sleek modern dashboard design helps create a more premium interior appearance after installation. Additionally, it delivers responsive system performance and reliable multimedia operation during daily use. Taking the top spot is the Boss Audio car stereo system, a highly advanced and widely recognized option designed for maximum multimedia functionality, strong audio performance, and versatile compatibility across a wide range of vehicles. This model typically features a responsive touchscreen display combined with Bluetooth streaming, smartphone integration, USB playback, and advanced audio customization options for a more complete entertainment experience. Many versions include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera support, steering wheel control compatibility, and multiple preamp outputs for expanded sound system upgrades. The powerful internal amplifier and advanced EQ controls help improve sound clarity and deliver stronger audio performance during music playback. Its durable construction and user-friendly interface make it suitable for both everyday drivers and car audio enthusiasts. Additionally, it delivers stable multimedia functionality and dependable audio performance across different driving conditions. All of these car stereo systems serve different needs depending on connectivity, display features, and audio performance. The Sobolai model offers affordable touchscreen convenience and practical smartphone integration. The S-Joybring model provides balanced multimedia functionality with dependable everyday usability. The PLZ model delivers advanced connectivity and improved audio customization features. The S-Joybring model offers enhanced display quality and broader smart functionality. And the Boss Audio model stands out as the most versatile and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best car stereo systems. From simple touchscreen upgrades to advanced multimedia systems designed for smarter connectivity and better in-car entertainment. Whether you're improving audio quality, adding smartphone integration, or modernizing your dashboard, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which stereo system you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car audio reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy a smarter and more enjoyable driving experience with the right car stereo system.